Hey, Dempster.
Hey, Baker, what do you got there?
Oh, this is our safety pledge poster.
Oh, wonderful! I've always said we need to have a safety pledge poster to keep us safe from harm.
Hey guys,
Joe, Louie, what happened to you?
I wasn't careful and I got injured.
Oh, poor Joe Louie. That's why you need to read our safety pledge.
What?
See here, number 1, I adopt safe behaviors to protect my health, safety, physical integrity, and my overall well-being.
Gee, I wish I did that.
And look, number 3, I immediately report all accidents, unsafe acts, or conditions to a supervisor, and when required, complete the preliminary accident and investigation report within 24 hours.
Oh, really?
You should report this.
I'm on it. I'm going to find my supervisor as soon as you finish telling me about the safety pledge.
Number 12, I do my part to keep pedestrian corridors, electrical panels, emergency equipment, or emergency exits free and clear of obstructions.
Oh, see, what happened was I tripped on a box near my work area.
Oh boy. And 13, I keep my work area, tools, and equipment clean and organized, and I clean as I go.
I can see why that's important now.
16, I know exactly what to do in case of emergency.
Oh boy, I didn't know what to do.
17, I follow safe lifting and proper material handling practices.
Oh, clearly that's an important thing.
And 20, I care about my and my colleagues' safety at work and at home.
I do that.
So what happened? Did you trip and get a bite taken out of you?
Oh, no, not that. That's just my style. My injury is something else. I hurt my wrist when I tripped.
Whoa! Well, we gotta get that taken care of.
And you should definitely read all 21 of the items on our safety pledge poster.
Yeah, that sounds good. Like a good idea.
Maybe we should look into that bite taken out of you also.
Yeah, maybe a good idea.
To learn more about how you can keep a safe work environment, please read our safety pledge. It's got a lot of good information for you.